Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today's video is on how to download and install Workout for Women application on your mobile phone, which is an app based on fitness workouts for women. To do so, follow some simple steps which I will show you. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Now open your Play Store or App Store and search for Workout for Women. You can see the app here, Workout for Women Fit at Home. Click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time depending upon the internet. Here you can see the app has been downloaded. Open it and enjoy its features. Now the app is ready to use. Use it for your workout journey. So that's how you guys can download this application. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.